Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter number 6, triangle. You know that very well, triangle which has a 3 side or 3 vertex or 3 angle. It means all the 3. Exercise 6.1, fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. All circles are, that's similar, because shape wise. All quadrilateral are, all square are similar because shape wise. All triangle are similar, equilateral. 2 polynomial of the same number of the side are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Second, give 2 examples of pair of similar figure. Similar figure, that is second question, that is a circle. And then we can also see the square. These are the similar figure. These are circles or squares. And then first part, that this is a sign of similar. And then second part, non-similar figure. Non-similar figure, it means like a one is triangle and then one is that like a square or rectangle or trapezium or that one. Like this, one of the circle, one of the, you can say, trapezium. These are not the similar. State whether the following quadrilateral are similar or not. No, it's not similar because shape wise, first is looking, that is rhombus, and second is square. So both are not similar. And then 6.2. In figure 6.1, it means 2 parts here. I'll be do only one part. Second part you can do very easily. So here we will apply that identity. If a triangle have, that is a 6.1 BPT theorem, that is, suppose PQ. Suppose these are the parallel. Suppose these two are the parallel. If PQ is equal to BC, then obviously that will be the ratio. AP upon BP is equal to AQ upon CQ. Right? If this thing is given, then obviously that will be, BC parallel PQ, BC parallel CQ. If this thing is given, so that will be parallel, or if this thing is given, then that will be ratio equal. So this is the BPT theorem. And then question number 1, first part. So by the theorem BPT, that is AD upon BD. AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. So AD is 1.5, BD is 3 is equal to AE is 1, CE we need to find that. So by cross multiply, 1.5 CE is equal to 3. So CE is equal to 3 upon 1.5. So by decimal, that is a 0, 2 is. So CE is equal to 2 centimeter. Answer. And then second question, E and F are the point on the side PQ and PR, respectively PQR. For such each of the following cases, state whether EF parallel QR. So that second question you can draw that triangle PQR, and then EF on the point on PQ. EF. Now it's given PE upon EQ. PE, first part, PE upon EQ. EQ is equal to PF upon FR. If this condition will become, then that will be yes, otherwise no. Now 3.9 and 3.9 and that will be 3.9 and EQ is 3 is equal to 3.6 upon 2/2.4. Both are not equal, so no, this is not parallel. Similarly, second case, that will be, you will be see putting the value, that will be no, sorry, that will be 4 yes, and third will be also yes by the putting of like this value. Now the question number third. Diagram is given there. Diagram is given already. A, B, C, B, C, D, M, L, N. A diagram is given there and LM parallel CL, CB. LM parallel CB and LN parallel CD. It's a given. So that in triangle ABC, that will be AM, that will be AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC by the theorem. First equation. Now in triangle ACD, that will be AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC, AL upon AC. So that second equation, from equation first and second, from equation first and second, these two has cancelled because both are the equal, so that will become AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD, AN upon AD. That is approved. Now the question number 4. This diagram is also given here. That is ABC. That is A, B, C. And then this is the parallel of that is DE. DE, and then this one also parallel. This one also parallel. Now DE parallel AC. DE, where is your DE parallel AC? These are the parallel. And then DF parallel AE. These are also parallel. This is the sign of parallel. So that we need to prove that BF upon FE. BF upon FE. So first of all we take the larger triangle. In a triangle ABC, that is BE also we need to that BE upon FE, BE upon BF, BE. Okay, so that BE, that AD upon DB is equal to, that will be BE EC upon CE upon BE. This is the first equation. Now in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, BE upon CE, yes. Now in triangle, that one, so that will be, suppose AD upon DB is equal to, that will be upon EF upon, that will be BF. The second, so from first equation, second equation, from equation first and second, this is cancelled, so that is left EC upon BE is equal to EF upon BF or BF, that, or we can reciprocal of that one also, so that will be BC upon EC is equal to EF upon BF. Proved. Then question number 5. Question number 5 is that in triangle is also given here. Fifth question. That is PQR. BC, AO, or just one, this is a figure of 6 part, is that, 5th part is that. PQR and then EF and then that is D, and then given DE parallel OQ, DE parallel OQ. These are the parallel, so obviously that will be also parallel. That will be also parallel. So we need to prove that EF, that where is F? EF parallel QR, EF parallel QR. So that first of all, we take this one triangle PQO. In triangle PQO, that will be PE upon EQ is equal to that PD upon DO. This is the first equation. Now in triangle that one, in triangle PRO, that similarly PF upon that FR is equal to that PD upon DO by parallel line, because that is given by parallel line. So from equation first and second, these are cancelled. So PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. If this condition has come, so that by converse of the BPT, that will be QR, hence QR parallel EF, QR parallel EF. Next, that diagram is there. Sixth diagram is that this is the PQR, PQR, and then one more triangle is there. That is a one more triangle, ABC, ABC, and then this is the O. In fact, ABC are the point on PQR respectively such that AB parallel PQ. AB parallel, that will be PQ, and AC parallel that will be PR, obviously that will be, and then BC parallel QR. We need to show that this thing. So first of all we will take in triangle PQO, that AP upon AO is equal to BQ upon BO, because these are the parallel lines. In triangle that PRO, that will be same, AP upon AO is equal to, that will be CO upon, that will be CR. So from equation first and second, this is cancelled. So left is BQ upon BO is equal to CO upon CR. So by that converse BPT, that will be hence QR parallel BC. That's proved. QR parallel BC. Seventh question and eighth question, both are depend on each other. So seventh question is using theorem 6.1, prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, that is, this is the triangle ABC, and then this is a, suppose, PQ, or this is the midpoint. It means both are the equal, and then parallel also these two is given there. So these are the also equal. So third side, midpoint on the side of a triangle parallel to another, the bisect third side. So here very simple. AP is equal to BP is given. So that we know that this one also, BC parallel PQ also given that. So AP upon BP is equal to AQ upon CQ. So that will be cancelled because both are the equal. So by cross multiply, AQ is equal to CQ. Eighth question, that will be using theorem 6.2, this is a converse of the BPT, prove that the joining of the midpoint of any two side of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Similarly, here is given A, B, C, same diagram we are taking that P, Q. Now is given there AP is equal to PB and AQ is equal to QC given that. So that AP upon BP is equal to AQ upon CQ. So both are the equal, so 1 is equal to 1. Hence BC parallel, that will be, no need to write that one also. So hence BC parallel PQ. Now the question number 9. Question number 9 is that ABCD are trapezium. So first of all, we will draw the trapezium. That A, B, C, D. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. AB parallel DC. And its diagonal intersect at O point. Its diagonal intersect at O point. O point, so that AO upon BO. AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So first of all, we will construct here. That will be suppose like P. Now in triangle ACD, AP upon PD is equal to AO upon OC. First equation. And then now in triangle ABD, AP upon PD is equal to that BO upon OD. Second equation, from equation first and second, this is cancelled. So AO upon OC is equal to BO upon OD. But we need to prove that here AO upon BO by cross multiply. AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Proved. And 10th question is also related on that one. Same thing. If the diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at O such that, so we need to, so this is a trapezium. We need to prove that this is a trapezium. Same diagram will be that A, B, C, D, O. We will write here like this, P, like this, P. So all this is the parallel to this line, this one we have constructed. So in triangle ABD, that will be AD upon PD is equal to BO upon DO. BO upon DO. That is a parallel. So and that one also is given there. That is given AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. That is given. So we can write like this: AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. BO upon DO. So that is both are the same. So that will be both are the same. On the place of that one, we can write that AO upon, that will be with of them this one. So AD upon, so we can write here parallel of that one. So AD upon PD is equal to AO upon CO. AO upon CO. AO upon CO. Then DC parallel PO, DC parallel PO, and this one we have already constructed parallel, hence AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD, or thus we can write thus AB parallel CD, hence ABCD is a rhombus. Okay.